Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about the Nifty 50 analysis for tomorrow's market, and also I'll be telling you the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading, and also I'll be telling them their tomorrow's maximum high and the lows, like how the stock can perform, what is the maximum high it can do and what is the maximum low it can do. Okay, I'll be showing you that with my calculation, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so now let's talk about the Nifty 50. So tomorrow the Nifty 50, the maximum high what it can do is 18,835 almost, and the maximum low it can make is 18,552 according to my calculation. Okay, so you can treat this as your support and resistance level also. Okay, so 18552 will be the support level and 18832 will be the maximum resistance level for tomorrow. Okay, so these are the levels for Nifty 50 which you can observe. Okay, and you can see on the previous day that the market has closed at 18,705 almost, that's the closing price. And if you see SGX Nifty, it has touched almost 18,800 and closed there. Okay, so I guess on tomorrow the Nifty 50 can touch 18,800 as a resistance it can make, and then it can come down is what my view is. So let's see how the market will perform, but this is the maximum levels what I'm giving you according to my calculation. Okay, so this is some of a unique way. Okay, it's not just like I'm telling you and support and resistance level, or I'm not predicting that the market will go in a bullish way or the bearish way. Okay, I'm telling you both the side and both the view. Okay, what is the maximum it can do and what is the lowest it can do. So lowest you can treat it as support and the maximum you can treat it as resistance. Okay, in the same way I'll be telling you for the two stocks what is selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. Okay, and before that, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I'll teach you the simple and easy skills to make consistent profit in intraday trading. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the first stock what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. That will be Tata Consumer Product. Okay, so here we can see that the previous close is 795.55. So previous close plus 18 points. Okay, and previous close minus 18 points will be our maximum support and the resistance. Okay, so previous close plus almost 18 to 19 points will be our resistance, that is 815 will be our resistance, and previous close, that is 795 minus 18 points, almost 775, will be a support level. That means this is the maximum what can stock can go to the higher side, and what is the maximum lower it can go to the lower side. Okay, and if you want to find out anything like a key resistance, then we can add like the previous close plus half of it. Okay, so let me just calculate that for you. So the previous close is 795.55. Okay, so I said you the points will be or 18 or 19, so let's consider as 18 itself. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, so 795.55 minus 9 will be 786, will be one of a key support level. Okay, 786.55, and the resistance level 795.5 plus 9 will be 804. Okay, so this will be one of our key support level. Okay, so these are the support and resistance level, and the maximum what it can go is 815, and the lowest maximum it can go is 775, and this too will act as a key support and resistance level. So anywhere touching this support level you can buy it, and anywhere touching this resistance level you can short sell it, and you can observe it tomorrow. Okay, so now let me tell you about the next stock, that is M and M. Okay, so let's talk about M&M stock now. Okay, so let me quickly tell you what this stock's levels are. Okay, so the closing price is 1264. Okay, so let's consider 30 points. Okay, so closing price plus 30 and closing price minus 30 for the main levels. Okay, so closing price is 1264. Okay, minus 30, so 1234 will be the main support level. Let me just mark it for you. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, somewhere here is a main support level, and let me grab the main resistance level for you guys. 1294 will be the main resistance level. 1294, so somewhere here will be our main resistance level. And now let us find out the key support and resistance level. So 15 points will be the number for finding out the key resistance level, that is 1264 minus 15, 1249. Okay, so 1249 somewhere here will be our next support level, 1249. Okay, and let's find out the resistance level. 1264 plus 15, 1279. 1279. Okay, somewhere here is our next key support level. Okay, so these are the two key support level, and these are the two resistance level. Okay, so these are based on my one of a unique calculation, guys. So you guys can observe the stock for tomorrow and see how it will perform. So guys, please keep in mind, I'm not asking you to trade on these levels or trade on these stocks. You can just observe this for educational purpose, and if you guys feel that it's working good, then you can join us now, and I'll be guiding you more unique things without indicators. I'll be guiding you. Okay, and also you can go inside my channel and watch daily live intraday trading. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like us, and if you guys wish to get the live market guidance from me, the same trade what I take in live market, I'll guide you that. So if you want to get that from me, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.